Maria. I will be showing you the math area today. As you see over here, we have our cash register. And inside, if you open this, we have money, and we're gonna close this. We have our scale that we use, you could use, and let's see. Let's put two animals over here. One right there, two, one over here. Which one do you think weighs more? Does this one weigh more or this one? I think this one. As you see, it leans towards this side more than this side. Let's take these animals out. Right here we have calculators, another scale, a sand timer. Ain't that so cool? What would you think? What do you think that happens if we turn this over to the other side? Let's do that. Do you see that? Do you see the sand going down? Okay, I'm gonna show you down here. We have some pattern blocks. These pattern blocks are in forms of shapes. What shape do you think this is? Is it a circle, a triangle, or a square? It's a blue square. And you see we have these other ones. This is a circle. Down here, we have these amazing colorful cubes, and we could use them to make a line or even letters. You see that letter? It forms a letter L or the letter T. Ain't that amazing? And when I want to put them back down here, if I do not know how to read this, I can see the picture, and it shows me the cubes go right there, and I will put my box in here. That way, whenever I want to go back and play with them, I know where to go. Over here, we have our measuring tape. Does anyone know how to use this? Do you think it goes around my neck? Well, going around my neck, it's not safe, is it? So, I will show you the way we use this measuring tape. Let's see how long this shelf is. Do you think it's pretty long? I think it is. You see that, friends? It is 48 inches long. When I am done with this measuring tape, I'm gonna put it back where it belongs. That way, whenever the rest of my friends wants to play with it, it's in its place. And we have some other stuff in here, friends, that you can play with. We have counting bears. And there's different ways of using these counting bears. We have these little plates where you can put them in and sort them by color. Do you see this little bear? What color is it? Is it green? It is orange. Would this one go in here? I don't think so. This plate is green. Let's see. It would go in there, right? Or we could use patterns. We have red, green, and look at that. if we're trying to make a pattern, what would go next after we have orange, blue, green, and red? So if I want to make a pattern again, I would start again with orange. And then what color would go next? So it would be blue. There's different ways that we could use and play with these counting numbers. When I'm done, I will put them back in their spot. Okay, this is it for math area. Now I'm gonna show you the art center. Over here, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna see all this area over here. We have different colors of paper that we could use. And each one of my friends has their own little trait that they're gonna be using. And in this little box, each of one has their name on it. You see this? It has number 1 and it has their name. This is my friend Alejandro. When Alejandro comes in here, he's able to use his own materials, and we have watercolor paint, we have Play-Doh, and our Play-Doh tools. Inside this little bag, we have stuff that we can glue or create glue on paper. And we have, what do we have in here? We have pom-poms. We have straws. Ooh, look, we have a blue feather. When I'm done using this, I will close it and put it back in its place. We have glue. Dot markers. And paint sticks. When Alejandro is done using his materials, Alejandro will go back and put it in his spot. Down here, we have dry erase markers and our dry erase board. As you see, friends, here we have a label that says clean. And I know these are clean because they have bubbles. That means clean. And the letters are green, so that means go. These markers we are able to use. Once I already used one, they will go on this other bin. And that means has a label over here. It says dirty. It has red letters. That means stop. So I will not be able to use this marker anymore because it's dirty. So if I want to use another marker, I can grab another one from the clean section. Down here, we're gonna do the same thing with our dry erase boards. Once I am done using my board, and I will put it down here because it is dirty, and that will let my teacher know that she needs to sanitize that one. Okay, friends, I will show you my water. Over here, this is where we're gonna get our water, and when you need water, you can ask your teacher for assistance to help you get your water. Over here, we have our painting easel. We will hang some paper here. We have different color paintings. When I want to use the paint easel, I will put on my smock. Do you think this fits me? I think it is too little for me. when Miss Maria wants to come and paint, she will have to get a bigger small for her to use. I think this will fit one of you little friends. When I am done painting, I will bring my paper to this drying rack, and with the assistance of my teacher, she will help me lay it down on here, insert it in here to let it dry. You will soon be able to do that by yourself. When it is dry, I can hang my paper on one of these. See, this is Alejandro's right here. So Alejandro will be hanging his art under his name, and the rest of my friends as well. And down here we also have stamps. Stamps. We have letter stamps, and also again friends, we have a label that says it is clean. When I am done using the stamp, I will move it to the dirty one. We have the ink pads down here. We have paper and more paint. And that is it, my friends. I can't wait to see y'all here. Bye.